Hi, Miss Gaines class. My name is Tyrah.
And my name is McKenna.
And we're going to do an experiment on heat conduction. But first, we're going to have a mini lesson from our friend Lexi.
Hi guys, I'm Alexis, and today we're going to do a lesson on heat conduction. So there's three different ways of heat: radiation, convection, and conduction, which we're learning today. Conduction is the transfer of heat between touch. See right here? I'm transferring heat between this hand and this hand. That's conduction. Radiation is when you have a fire. The fire produces heat, and that heat radiates towards you. That's what makes you warm. And then there's convection, which is in gas and water. Think of a boiling pot. You know how it bubbles at the top? Well, that's the heat rising from the bottom where the heat source is. So the heat, it just kind of goes in circles because that's the heat, and then go up, and then it cools back down, and goes down. One way to remember convection is doing this, because it circles. And that is our lesson on heat transference. Bye!
Hi again. So now that you know the three transfers of heat, conduction, convection, and radiation, we're going to do a mini experiment with you guys using a stopwatch, ice, pencil, paper, and our hands. So to do this experiment, she's going to be holding one cube of ice in her hand, in the palm of her hand, and she's going to be holding one cube of ice in the palm of her hand, but she's going to close her hand, and we're going to see which one melts first. So, if you guys understand, we're ready to start. So I'm just going to hold my hand here with it closed, and I'm going to hold mine with it open. And we're going to see how long it takes for each of them to melt.
I feel like I'm missing out. Hi, Nancy. I missed you this morning, but I'll end the day with you.
Can we restart that? Please? She messed it up.
No, it's okay.
But I already, now I'm talking though, so we have to
We
just
can edit that out.
No, we can't.
Yeah, we can.
We have to show them.
Yeah, they won't know the difference. Don't worry. So when it's done. How's your ice cube?
It's fine.
Okay.
Mine's fairly.
Now say how your ice cube is like at the moment now.
So my ice cube is making my hands very cold, obviously, and it's melted a little bit more than hers has. Yes. Mine is fairly melted, but not enough to stop our experiment. So I'm going to start the time again. I'll switch hands, but my hands are really cold. When we're editing this, we should put like the do 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 do.
Yeah, my arms are hurting.
If I know, we have to stop editing.
The ice is probably about halfway done. That's why I wrote down so because it would take forever for it to fully melt.
No, it's really, mine's almost done already, so we're just gonna go until mine melts. Don't stop it. Mine's almost done. Conduction, not convection. Conduction, not convection. Conduction, not convection. Okay,
Okay,
How
please,
melted
since
is
my arms are starting to hurt.
Okay. Okay.
Mine is.
So you can tell that mine is definitely smaller than hers is, and that was with my hand closed.
And my
So
hand.
back to Lexi to ask you a few questions.
Hi guys, it's Lexi again. As you saw, we did an experiment about heat transference. Does anyone know what kind of heat transference that was? Conduction, convection, or radiation? Well, if you have an answer, the answer was conduction. I hope you got it right. So, our experiment was about ice. As you see, that ice right here. So, the heat from my hand is touching the ice. And the Ice is really cold, as you know. So when heat touches the ice, it melts it. The heat radiant is coming from my hand to the ice. So obviously it melts it. That's conduction through touch. Really not much science behind it, but you know. I don't know what to say because it's like really not much of explanation. Wet. Okay. Whatever. And that is heat transference through conduction. Bye.